In this video, I'm going to break down the ideal thickness for a DIY concrete slab that can easily hold your garden furniture or light structures without cracking or sinking. Alright, so first off, you want your concrete slab to be thick enough to handle some weight, but not overkill where you're wasting materials or cash. For garden furniture or those light sheds and stuff, a slab around 4 inches thick usually does the trick. Make sure you prep the ground properly by digging out the topsoil and laying down a nice compacted gravel base. This helps with drainage and keeps your slab from shifting. When you pour the concrete, go for a mix that's strong enough, like a 2,500 psi mix, which is good for everyday outdoor stuff. Don't forget to smooth it out evenly and use a float to get a flat surface, so your table or chairs don't wobble. If you want to get extra sturdy, toss in some wire mesh or rebar to reinforce it, especially if you plan on putting a little more weight on it later. Keep the slab moist for a few days after pouring so it cures properly and stays strong. Lastly, always check for local building codes or guidelines, just in case they have specific rules about slab thickness or materials in your area. One of the biggest mistakes people make when pouring concrete slabs is going too thin, like 2 inches or less, which leads to cracking and sinking under pressure. Another common issue is skipping the gravel base or not compacting it well. Without that solid foundation, your slab can shift or settle unevenly. And then there's the problem of rushing the curing process. If you let the concrete dry too fast without keeping it moist, it won't reach full strength and could end up weak and crumbly. Fix these by sticking to that 4-inch minimum thickness, prepping your base properly with compacted gravel, and keeping the slab moist for at least 3 days after pouring. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty awesome because it hooks up homeowners like you with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It's also great for contractors looking to find new work without all the hassle of marketing themselves on their own.